Now here, let me show you how to select parts of a picture and save it for later use. For example, this picture, which in an earlier video I show you how to clean up, and this is the cleanup version of the picture. And I'm going to open up with paint. Open with paint. And pretty large size. Use the slider to zoom out. Okay, so take a look at this picture. I want to save this little girl as one figure and save it for later use. I'm going to color it and maybe use as an illustration in a book. So we can use the selection tool, freeform, and select. Be careful, try not to cut off the figure or include extra stuff. Okay, and select it. We'll use Control C. Okay, copy, and I'm going to paste it into a PowerPoint slide. This isn't just an organization tool to keep my pictures. But notice that PowerPoint will compress pictures automatically, and this will affect the resolution, will reduce the resolution. So let's change the setting in PowerPoint. Go to File, Option, Advanced, Image Size and Quality. So we would want to choose Do Not Compress Images in File. Do not compress. So check this box, Do Not Compress Images in File, and click OK. Okay. So let's go back to the paint, and this time I'm going to choose two girls without a background and save it for later use. So let's use the selection tool. Notice that it's unavoidable to include some extra lines that we don't need, but that we can always clean it up later. Okay, Control C, copy, and paste it into our PowerPoint. Okay, notice that there is some extra lines over here which we can clean up later. Let me show you how to clean up this picture. So we do save as picture, illustration, figures and scenes, Amy and friends baking, and save. Okay, let's go to okay, here it is. So let's open this up using paint, and let's get rid of those extra lines. I will select, delete, delete, delete. Oops, redo. Undo. Delete. Okay, so now we need to work closer using an eraser tool. Okay. Okay, so now this picture is cleaned up and we will save this. Okay, and why don't we get rid of this picture and replace it with a cleanup version by insert the one we just worked on. There we go. See? So we can use it to color later. We're done.